Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. Today I brought you a very relevant topic that is very unique, very unique. Many people think that you need a speaking partner for spoken English, for learning English, but today I brought you a very good method that is called silent speaker method to learn English without relying on external factors. And this method helped me a lot. By following this method, I took my English language from basic to advanced. So everybody who is wondering for spoken English, they are unable to go outside for practicing. They are unable to talk with others. But this method will help you to talk to yourself. This method is called silent speaker method. And guys, this method is about training your mind to react, think, and express in English language without relying on external conversations. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I will tell you the hacks, the 5 hacks that you guys have to apply. Watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, hack number 1, that is talking to yourself in real life situations. How will you narrate to yourself in real life situations? So here you don't need to go outside for practicing. You don't need to talk to others, but here you have to talk. You have to narrate to yourself. You have to talk to yourself. Like, for examples, like I am making tea, I am reading books, I am writing diary, I am dancing, I am drinking water, I am thinking in English language, I will go market. So this is what called narrating to yourself, and it is a very good hack that I personally followed a lot. This is very interesting hack that if you are able to apply this hack to yourself, you don't need to go outside. You will be able to learn this language at home guys. Okay, so in this method there will be one more example that is called talking to yourself in front of the mirror, using mirror for job interviews, or talking to yourself, or learning how to get conversation. Like you are giving a speech in front of the public, you just have to think in yourself that I am just talking to many people, but you just have to do a conversation, daily life conversation, and increasing the confidence level by talking in front of the mirror. And here you must have to focus on one thing, that is storytelling. Like if you have a mirror in front of you, you just have to do some things like I am just telling the story to myself, I am just telling to story others, but there will be no one you can talk to yourself. You are just thinking in your mind that I am talking with many guys in front of me. So this is called the number 1 hack. Okay, so guys, come on to the next hack. So guys, the second hack, that is shadowing with a twist. Shadowing with a twist. Shadow technique. You might have heard about this technique, that is shadow technique. Here you don't have to talk only after native speakers, but also you just have to imitate their emotions, their reactions, their poses, how are they reacting while talking. So it will make you sound natural. It will make you how to sound naturally. So जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी नेटिव स्पीकर्स ने कोई सेंटेंस बोला, वो जिस इमोशंस के साथ बोल रहा है, या वो सैड इमोशन हो सकता है, हैप्पी इमोशन हो सकता है, थोड़ा लव वाला इमोशन हो सकता है, और उसी एक्टिंग करते हुए, उसी के इमोशंस को फील करते हुए आपको वो शैडो टेक्निक का उपयोग करना है. आफ्टर जब वो बोल लेता है ना स्पीकर, उसके बाद आपको भी उसी रिएक्शन में बोलना है. और ये टेक्निक बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगी आपको टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश, टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. रियली गाइस, इट helped me a lot when I started learning this language. When I was beginner, I used to follow this technique, because everyone who is watching movies, they will be surprised by some dialogues in that movie. बहुत अच्छे डायलॉग कोई मिल जाते हैं और उनको आप रिपीट करिए, तो मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीट करता था और उसी वे में बोलने का प्रयास करता था, उसी वे में एंजॉय करते हुए, उसी जैसे सैड मोमेंट आता है तो सैड तरीके से बोलना, हैप्पी मोमेंट आता है तो यदि हैप्पी मोमेंट में किसी ने बोला, नेटिव स्पीकर ने कुछ बोला तो उसी फील करते हुए, उसी हैप्पी मोमेंट को फील करते हुए आपको वो बोलना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेकेंड हैक, द शैडोइंग technique with a twist. Okay, so let's come on to the next hack. So guys, the hack number 3, that is thinking in English with mental movies. Mental movies, what is called this hack? I'm going to make you understand that this hack is called when you are just thinking yourself, you are just taking yourself in different scenarios. Like you, आप यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे होते हैं, आप बस अपने माइंड में ये सोच रहे होते हैं कि मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक योरसेल्फ दैट I am just giving the foods, I am just serving the foods, so you just have to talk like that I am serving the food, I am just cooking. और आपको इन डिफरेंट लाइफ सिनारियोज में लेना है, रियल लाइफ सिचुएशंस में लेना है आपको कि मैं यदि ये कर रहा होता तो मैं कैसे इंग्लिश बोलता. तो जस्ट आपको उसी माइंड, उसी वे में आपको सोचना है और इंग्लिश बोलना है. For examples, like you are talking with a foreigner, you just have to imagine like you are talking with a foreigner. So what will you do when any foreigner will come in front of you? तो आप क्या करोगे, आप उससे इंट्रोडक्शन पूछोगे, okay, what's up, how are you? तो इसी तरीके से आप बोलोगे, तो उसके बाद वो कुछ पूछेगा तो आप रिप्लाई करोगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड द मेंटल हैक, where you are just taking yourself in different life scenarios. Like you just have to take, you can take like you are cooking food, like you are just reading, like you are just serving the food, like you are just serving the society, like you are just talking, you are just having a conversation with foreigners, or you are just talking on the stage in front of lots of people. So how will you react when you will be in real life situations, in this these types of scenarios in your real life? तो आपको उसी तरीके से घर में ही रिएक्ट करना है, without having anyone. बस आपको अपने माइंड को एक फूल बनाना है. You just have to make your mind फूल, और उसी तरीके से आपको रिएक्ट करना है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द हैक नंबर 3. लेट्स कम ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट हैक. सो द हैक नंबर 4, दैट इज राइटिंग एज इफ यू वर स्पीकिंग. इसका मतलब हुआ कि आपको इस तरीके से राइट करना है, लाइक कि मैं बोल रहा हूं, मैं यदि ये बोल रहा होता तो कैसे बोल रहा होता, तो आपको इस तरीके से राइट करना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू नोट डाउन एवरीथिंग, लाइक यू आर जस्ट हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन, बट यू आर राइटिंग. बट आपको अपने माइंड में क्या करना है, यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक इन योरसेल्फ दैट आई एम जस्ट स्पीकिंग. आपको मेमोराइज करना है, मेमोराइजेशन हैक का उपयोग करना है यहाँ पर. आपको whatever you are writing, whatever you are taking down in your diary, you just have to think I am just having a conversation. Like you just have to take down a story where there may be many characters in life. In real life scenarios there will be many characters. You are just taking down a story where आप बट राइट कर रहे होंगे, बट आपको अपने माइंड में क्या करना है, आपको अपने माइंड को फूल बनाना है कि लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन. राइट करते हुए, while writing you have to speak. जैसे कि मैं कुछ राइट कर रहा हूँ, जैसे कि मैं लिख रहा हूँ कि माई नेम इज आदित्य, इस तरीके से. एंड यू हैव टू इमेजिन वट एवर यू आर राइटिंग. आपको इमेजिन करना है कि यदि मैं ये लिख रहा हूं ना तो इसका सीन ये होगा. इमेजिनेशन विल गिव यू अ स्विच टू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. इमेजिनेशन टेक्निक इज अमेजिंग. So this is called the hack number 4, where you are writing something but you are just thinking that if I were speaking this, so how will I reacting there? Okay, so guys, let's come on to the final hack. That is really amazing. Guys, the final hack is really relevant for you. This is this is a type of challenge, the mute challenge. The final hack is the mute challenge. Guys, you have to take a challenge that I will today whole day I will just talk in English, I will just think in English, I will just react in English. Whatever I am just thinking, whatever I am reacting, whatever I am doing the work, whatever the work I am doing, come what may, I will just react in English, I will just think in English. I don't have to think a single word of Hindi language. This is a challenge, guys. Here if the frustration is coming to your mind, don't worry, you have to pass this challenge. This is only for one day. So these types of challenge will give you the power of a kind of energy to move on, a kind of energy to learn very fast. So this is called the power technique. That is, आपको चैलेंज लेना है कि मैं आज पूरे दिन इंग्लिश में ही सोचूंगा, इंग्लिश में ही रिएक्ट करूंगा, इंग्लिश में ही बोलूंगा, कुछ भी हो जाए. यदि मैं दोस्तों से बात कर रहा हूँ, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग विद द फ्रेंड्स, आई विल टॉक ओनली इन इंग्लिश. इफ आई एम टॉकिंग विद माई मॉम, आई विल टॉक इन ओनली इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. दिस इज लाइक अ फास्ट. एक मौन व्रत होता है ना, यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट अ मौन व्रत वेयर लोग कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं उस दिन. इसी तरीके से आपको इंग्लिश बोलने का व्रत रखना है. You just have to take a fast where you just have to talk only in English language. ये आपका English fast कहलाएगा. आप उसको नोट करके रख लेना कि this is called English fast. Today I am having a fast that is called English language fast. Here you will just think in English, react in English, talk in English, everything. If you are reading, writing, dancing or cooking, whatever the things, whatever the task are you are doing, you just have to do those tasks. Tasks with this language. So guys, I have given you the 5 hacks in this video, and guys, believe me, these 5 hacks helped me a lot. Literally speaking, these only by following these 5 hacks, I am here. I am speaking very well in front of you. And guys, these are very good hacks because if you're following these hacks, you don't need to have external factors where you are just wondering कि मेरे पास कोई होता काश तो मैं उनके साथ conversation कर सकता. But you don't have to rely on others. You don't have to rely on external conversation. You don't have to rely other people to talk with you. Just follow these methods. If you are a girl, then you must follow these methods, because girls in India, in Indian villages, girls are unable to go outside for practice. They don't have the classroom where they can go and talk with teachers, where they can learn. But they just have to work. They are just working professional or homemaker. They are just living in a box, like in the house. They cannot go outside for practicing. So these 5 hacks will help them to learn this language. Okay, so guys, if you found this video helpful, if you found this video amazing or relevant for you, so please subscribe to my channel and like my video and comment on my video that how was it, how was your experience with this, and follow and guys, follow these steps, follow these hacks in your real life scenarios, and you will have good results. If you will have good results, then you have to you have to give me the results. You just have to comment on my video that it was amazing, it was helpful for me, it was very good for me. Thank you bhaiya, thank you brother, thank you little brother. इस तरीके से कमेंट कर देना. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.